So hello guys, I am Vipin Kumar and today we do the coordinate geometry, which is the third chapter in the mathematics book of class 9. So firstly we understand what is Cartesian system. In the Cartesian system there are two types, Cartesian plane and coordinate axis. What is Cartesian plane? A Cartesian plane is defined by two perpendicular number lines, a horizontal x-axis and a vertical y-axis. So basically, what is the Cartesian plane? This is a vertical line and a horizontal line. This horizontal line called x-axis and this vertical line called y-axis. These lines are called coordinate axis. So these vertical and horizontal x-axis and y-axis called coordinate axis. So a Cartesian plane is named after the French mathematician René Descartes, who formalized its use in mathematics. So this Cartesian plane is named after the French mathematician René Descartes. He formalized the use of Cartesian plane in the mathematics. The Cartesian plane extend infinity in all direction. So what we understand by that? So this is the Cartesian plane. We can extend this to infinity, this side to infinity, and this side to infinity, and this side to also infinity. We can extend this line to the infinity. So now we come to what is origin. What is an origin? Origin, the coordinate axes intersect each other at right angle. The point of intersection of two axes is called origin. So this point is called origin. This point is called origin, where these two lines intersect at right angle. So now we come to quadrant. What is a quadrant? The Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 quadrant. These name in the order 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1. In the end, starting from the upper 1 and going to the around the anticlockwise 2, 3, 4. This is the Cartesian. These 4 quadrants are in the Cartesian plane: 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see in the picture, this is the first quadrant, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth quadrant. So point in different quadrant. So there are some points or the sign of the point in different quadrants. So in the quadrant 1, in the first quadrant, there is plus x. There is the sign plus on the x coordinate and plus on the y coordinate. There in the second quadrant there is the minus on x coordinate and plus on the y coordinate. For example, -1 and 4. In third quadrant there is the minus on x coordinate and also minus also on y coordinate. For example, -3, -5. And in fourth quadrant there is the plus on x coordinate and minus on the y coordinate, like 6, -1. So plotting on a graph. So how we can represent a point on a Cartesian plane? We can represent a point on a Cartesian plane using the coordinate axis. We can describe any point in the plane using a ordered pair of numbers. A point A is represented by an ordered pair xy, where x is the abscissa and y is the ordinate of the point. So see here, like this is the abscissa and this is the ordinate. So the point A is here. So x or y, the point A is here from B to C. So how we can plot the point at any point on the on the Cartesian plane like this? We have to point +1 and +2 on the Cartesian plane. So here 1 2, here start from 0 1 2, so here the +2 and +1 +2, and here the +1 and +2. So we can we plot the plus x 1 x +1 and +2. So from here go there, and this is the abscissa, and this is the ordinate. Plotting a point. So the location of a point in the plane is given by the coordinates. The first number x gives the point's horizontal position, and the second number y gives the vertical position. So for example, point 3 and 2 is 3 unit away from the positive y-axis and 2 unit away from the positive x-axis. Therefore 3 and 2 can be plotted as shown below. Similarly, -2 and 3, -1 -2 and 2 -3 are plotted like this. You can see here the 3 and 2 are plotted here, the 2 unit away from the x-axis and 3 unit away from the y-axis. Here 2 and -3, the 2 unit away from the y-axis and 3 unit away from the x-axis. Here -1 and -2, so 1 unit away from the y-axis and 2 unit away from the x-axis. Here -2 and 3, the 2 unit 3 unit away from the x-axis and 2 unit away from the y-axis. So thank you, have a nice day. If you like my video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to take my all notification. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.